Presenting the Ford 2018 Edge SEL FWD. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include black body side cladding, body-colored door handles, body-colored front bumper with black rub strip fascia accent, body-colored power heated side mirrors with convex spotter, manual folding and turn signal indicator, body-colored rear bumper with black rub strip fascia accent, chrome side windows trim and black front windshield trim, clear coat paint and deep tinted glass. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.